time around for season 2?
I think even better acts. I pushed my golden buzzer the other day to a person where I'm like, this person is out of this world. How come we have never heard of this person here in America? She should be a huge superstar already. I don't get it. I just said she. Hint, hint, it's a woman.
So 50-50, we can guess now.
Yeah.
We could eliminate all the men in the competition. Yeah.
No, this person is incredible. I think she's going to be a superstar, mark my words. I know I've said it before that my golden buzzer is going to win, but this time my golden buzzer is going to win.
And what are you looking
I mean, like when those voices are all coming out and it's like so many voices inside of your body, it is just, we know what it sounds like.
When I first saw you, you blew me away because it was the surprise of it all. Like, we don't expect both voices to come out of one person, and I thought, is this a gimmick? And then the second time I saw you, I enjoyed it just as much, if not more, and I feel the same thing about tonight. You're making the right choices on the right song.
Yeah.
Great job tonight.
Thank you so much.
You're like an
Like Marcelito, for example. Marcelito is the man that has two voices trapped inside of him. He can sing like a woman and a man. It's incredible. Like literally, that shocked me because I didn't expect that, you know? I didn't know anything about him. He comes from the Philippines, I believe, and he was on the stage, so he sang in a man's voice, and then all of a sudden he was in a female voice. And it was going back and forth, this duet. It was incredible.
But that's not who you chose as your golden buzzer. You chose Angelina.
I chose Angelina because I think she's a superstar in the making.
Yeah.
I mean, she is beautiful inside out. She has the most haunting voice on the planet. It's kind of like melancholic in a way. It's raw. It's like Amy Winehouse. It's she's incredible.
Yeah.
The unbeatable. Yeah. Well, because we have a kind of an inside kind of, you know, we hope that all of our golden buzzers are going to win, you know, but I actually want your dad to win.
Oh, you do? You want the unbeatables to win?
I do. I want them to win.
Why is that?
Because they're just amazing, talented people, and they're amazing, humble human beings, and they just deserve it. It's just, they melt my heart when I see them on the stage. They give everything. Their eyes are glowing. They're like kind. They're just, I don't know. I just want them to win. They don't have all that, oh, I'm fabulous, I'm fabulous. They're just humble human beings with an amazing talent. I just want them to win. I do.
A little off.